Task 4. Let's talk and share speaking tasks. Next, I will tell you more about myself. My name is Carolina Rodríguez Toro. I'm 44 years old. In my free time, I like to watch TV and series. I usually listen to music, and sometimes I hang out with my friends or boyfriend. I like going to the cinema, and the most importantly, I like to share with my family. I live in the city of Guadalajara de Buga, better known as Ciudad Señora. On my last vacation, I stayed home due to the COVID pandemic. I lived alone 2 years ago. I'm studying business administration at UNAD, and I'm in the second semester. On my next vacation, I want to go somewhere with beautiful nature and wonderful views. My hobbies are watching series on Netflix, reading fantasy books, hanging out with my friends, going to movies, going on dates with my boyfriend, and going for ice cream or drinking coffee. Finally, but no less important, listening to music. I love it. Now, I will show you the recipe for Ajiaco Colombiano. A classic Ajiaco recipe made with different kinds of potatoes, spices, chicken, corn, huasca, Colombian herb, and served with capers and cream. I also like to serve my Ajiaco with avocado and green salad on the side. This Colombian chicken soup is comforting and filling. Each region of Colombia has its own specialties and characteristic dishes. For example, in the capital of the country, Bogotá, Ajiaco is a very popular dish. This Colombian chicken soup is a perfect dish during the cold weather. Ajiaco can be eaten for lunch or dinner, and it will keep you full and satisfied. Ingredients: 3 chicken breasts, skin removed, 12 cups water, 3 ears fresh corn cut into 2 pieces, salt and pepper to taste, 2 chicken bouillon cubes, 3 scallions, 2 garlic cloves minced, 3 tablespoons chopped cilantro, 2 cups gold potatoes, 3 medium white potatoes peeled and sliced, 3 medium red potatoes peeled and sliced, 1 cup heavy cream for serving, 1 cup capers for serving. Ajiaco Colombiano. Instruction: 1. First, in a large pot, place the chicken, corn, chicken bouillon, cilantro, scallions, garlic, salt, and pepper. Add the water and bring to a boil. Then reduce heat to medium and cook for about 30 or 35 minutes until chicken is cooked and tender. Remove the chicken and set aside. 2. Next, continue cooking the corn for about 15 more minutes. Discard green onions and add red potatoes, white potatoes, and the huascas. Cook for 15 more minutes. 3. Uncover and add the frozen gold potatoes and simmer for 15 minutes. Season with salt and pepper. 4. Finally, shred the chicken breast and return to the pot. Serve the ajiaco hot with capers and heavy cream on the side. This is the recipe for Ajiaco Colombiano. Thank you so much.